Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to find the basis of a row space of a matrix. So we already learned how to handle a matrix, so now how do we find this? For first step, we have to reduce it to row echelon form. After that, after we reduce it to row echelon form such that you get this form 1, 0, 0, etc, etc, 0, then 0, 1, for example, 0, all the way to 0, and then all the way to 1, etc. You get something like this. So 1, 1, 1. So once you get in this form, you will collect the rows with at least the leading entries. So after we do this, we get all the rows with the leading entries. The basis will be the collection of the rows with leading entries. So let's do an example to get a feel of how to find the basis for the row space of a matrix. So let's say we have this matrix 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, minus 4, 4, minus 1, 2, minus 1. So now let's make it to row echelon form. This is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So the first step is to eliminate the entries in the first column here is 3 and 1. So how do we do this? We minus 3 over 2 times of row 1 plus row 3, and also for this we add minus half times of row 1 plus row 4. So hence you'll get something like this: 2, 0, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Now the third row will change. So minus 3 over 2 times 2 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. And for this is minus 3 over 2 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Minus 3 over 2 times 3 equals to minus 9 over 2. Minus 9 over 2 plus 0 equals to minus 9 over 2. Minus 9 over 2. And for this, minus 3 over 2 times 4 equals to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 equals to minus 4. Now for the fourth row, minus half times 2 equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. For this, it will be 0. And for this is minus half times 3 equals to minus 3 over 2. Minus 3 over 2 plus minus 4 equals to minus 11 over 2. for this is minus half times 4 equals to minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 1 equals to minus 3. So now this is, after this, now we have got in this form. So now you want to eliminate the entry below 1 over here, which is this third row, second column. So what do we do now? We add minus 1 times of row 2 plus row 3. Therefore it's 2, 0, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now for this 0, then here is minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. For this is minus 1 minus 9 over 2 equals to minus 11 over 2. And for this, minus 1 times minus 1 equals to 1. 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. And now 0, we bring the fourth row over, 0, minus 11 over 2, minus 3. So now we have gotten this form. However, we want to eliminate the entries in the third column. So this is again our row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So from here we can minus 1 times of row 3 plus row 4. Hence, we get in this form 2, 0, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 11 over 2, minus 3. Now for the final row, see, so minus 7 will be 0 and 0. Now for this is minus times minus 11 over 2 equals to 11 over 2, 11 over 2 minus 11 over 2 equals to 0. And the same goes for this. So from here, we can identify the rows with the leading entry. From here, we can see that row 1, row 2, and row 3 have leading entries. This one doesn't have. Therefore, the basis can be written in as this. Two, 0, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1, 1. Sorry, this one should be minus 1. Sorry for the mistake. So minus 1. And after that will be 0, 0, minus 11 over 2, minus 3. So you have 3 vectors here. So therefore, our basis is written as this. We have now come to the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.